husband did make it here. If you not trust your wife, tell her say make it come out. May you not go kiss somebody picking. If you know, say you not trust her. Say they waka bukere. If they do something where people say no, they give you joy. But you may come on, not marry again. Now trust, now be marriage. This your marriage now, you don't suspect her. You dey data. You say they take drug. You dey go club. You dey waka alone without you. Pursue her. Don't waste time. But God don't let something happen to you. Now they gonna say awa yamuwe. Because when suspected, they go get gawe. What are you still waiting for? Now what you reach now? Be a suspect you ba. So nobody be that soon. But wa me boni aya wa ya ve. Egbo ya wo gbe wa. Then I not back home in na. Okay, get a pan out of bomb your boy. I will ya feel where you are. Get no time in the eternal all the time at you. I will go here no here. You suspect, eh? What are we saying? No, me, I'm not doing. Man that pay your bride price, they accuse you, say, you they go outside. If not true, you can say yes. What are you still doing there? And almost many of them will turn it to here. Why you suspect here? Why pursue here? Why Sato when I come to the just have wait to here? Then I do acknowledge you know, we love one cow, a hook give and we are Joe, a hook gear. Since I'm not trusty, where you people should separate. Then I have a bush around the bushy boy. Going of you, this one of Corona is saying, no boy, now you don't sick. You don't know where your problem is coming from. When a man don't suspect a woman, said the woman they fuck her, and that man not they move forward again. You know they move forward because that spirit of suspect all to affect it can cause you a darkness sickness. Before you know, no big God. Before you know, a boy belewekia. Before you know, wherever very hulowoto. Salaba no me dance with that, but I'm in the sa jawa omi. Ya ikbolowe. Wege na o ikwumi. Wa ivatek bajo na eri atijo. Umana de la wa geme. Umana take permission geme. Wa ye mistake change direction geme. Wa ya wanyo geme. Ye kwumi na. Okay, we wa me gunye bi aru over 24 hours. We ye dey me right neck boy. Wa we ya anseti alatia. You pursue him now. Go call your papa. Say, come and take your daughter. I don't need time again. I don't like it waka waka. Which one you call the character class? You want tear and meter too. Today, now, you don't call somebody child. Now, today, you don't call where. Don't know where the problem is coming from. All right, honey, now, Bemara, where you teach you now? I'm not even soon. Can you say your wife they take drugs? If not true, pursue them now. Not be all men they carry woman where they take drugs. Not be all men they carry woman where they fuck around. Not be all women not be all men they carry woman where be say they go beer palo. Where for? If the girl no one go, throw away all artists. Throw away for outside, make get out of your house to avoid problem. You accuse her today before 1 week, you know, you still call her machawo. Cause what this girl be now, you are on a mafia. The bad to investigate a banner, you're this virgin, okay? Oh, you're not that moene. What make it do I want working here, girl? Moena, I'm a more one go okay, very old. If I'm a man, so I say my wife, the fuck, I go pursue her. Get out of my house. We see I don't live anywhere. Don't kwa gelege we ayere ma oke. Dawo ku kwa gelege we alo bia yo ewe. Dawo ku kwa gelege usi ayogwa, we na ti awo okwo we mgo jo. We gari ma ogo ni ula egesa. Me mo pe ade we ga gbe we ni you are a liar. Dawe when abata una we gbe we ni when we yati ashawo ni you are a liar. Umana zone any see ni me na wo na me pe no tio wo ha ashawo de no ho poma. Or to support no other level 20 you will remain level 2. Onu yati wo ha wa ashawo to support no zo cause I wanna get that gbe uzo e uzo. Ata me no be sunu ba no be mu gbe when you ya vempo. Okay, Caro, a kiddo bue. I was zeno. What are you boy? I don't know yo. Okay, banner. All the mugget boy, I lulame. I lulame, your mouth and walking here. I came out with the banner. I was zere bua. Bana quiver, while Moko was gear near lulame. Oh, I don't who are quavo. Don't quavo no head domu. Where I got toast to our Wakame feature. It may a general Wakame yawu. Oh, I walk Babu, however, no Jawa Bocha. Oh, I worry, get Benek Bemwa me, I mean, I had ton of your and oh, whatever, no Jawa Bocha. Oh, when I do a bunch of money, I go all dog women at Bomeme. Get on me affect and now. I took my shower to live anyway. Get go and get to you for me. No worry, Sakatabu, no worry, make a. So you have to wake up, my brother. Wake up if you are hearing my voice. Stop calling your wife a shower. If you don't trust her, pack her things, come up for your house tomorrow. Call the papa for phone. Record and give her maybe proof. Call her direct. Send message, give her say, now you give me the wife. Now me call me give me your daughter. Now I reject her. I don't need her again. Let her live my life. Anywhere where she did, go to pay her children's school fees. She must take care of her children by herself. So I be say I call the CM, I do a CM, in my way, you got tie, in my hair, you say Morocco, you want to know. Okay, well, mammy, when me, we go at Alenia, where you ever. Do we magale, we all ye joao. Ye can receive work man, or Tilani will pick. Also, I'm going to let it rammy here. Or I tell you, how dare you? No more watch on me. But back to watch our women up by way you shall want on it. Yagan and the room where any other you shine, they look back be I, like be snave. Yagan look back deal with here. Oh, what don't look better talk watch when you enjoy water. But we are the buyer. Oh, count and I see her. I'm not the night is here. I take book be area. You were my one bear. I take book be a one marry. Oh, my one more to watch a water defended boy. Makba. This wash a working bar. A one on me. Travel my door at that shimmy. No, I get done with a big tie. No, Ray, Pirate, your daira. Quando doce will Kawako Kigo. I don't remember Makba, the Dario. On another day, I don't know my expect to ma. Who Delany Wesho? Umana Delany Wejo, we for reject. Or tear will get pick. O tierra, e padomo, o conure me mamio, era we mammy, me tierra. O tuanu e robe ma, wa ma bi uta mi okpa, e de resi wani nakpa. Yone, o ga izeta lota la go we geta, we de gba jakare ra me no do vow. The no we gbetie ma sha whether wa mi ne se wo wa wo. E wo. E ze wacha we ya vi wa gyo kagbe not kagbe jo wa lulam. E chu wa ma won don na na ya no su. Again 1930 na. On I have it dear yes again. Again mama jena 2026 now what time. They am me waffle. All the name when I go to a game a hero word. I'm a gain on my word. When I don't want to depression, never want to be depression, then I must say, they no enjoy me, va. when I'm be kodo, when you in depression, ou je vais y arriver. Na moi que be kodo, je vais y arriver. De normal c'est. Avec pas ma c'est non fifou. Uro wodo wa no buga ya glass o wa ri low. Eve wa ya vie wodo. Odafo wa lo ya glass. A glass na ya bere na ya tie be wa ya ri ya problem. Wa ya vie. Was stopping nonsense in this 2026. Umana mio wo kan we mio bere ti achawo. Was stopping na gbome ke na mawa. Wa si egbuwa riyeke. Because wa mia zo mu jogwa, wa mia wi ko ni ma fie o mu jogwa. Egene de ope wa mo ko ro abo. Uma mio because o just skirt o just trouser o ma de was on accuse. Wa dam we bu na eni ani mana even na luwa en. O mama na wa badon am wa fo ye does me. Ka we bona ke ya no wa re ye ba. We bo social. Wa kokigo wa manzo. Wa eso se finya ma kanti. Okay ke swena. Igoro waro ero lidala ero wara kanti. Ero pagolo. Okwo waro wodo ene go wi pagolo ene be bank ene be Nigeria. Okay ya pa nothing. Onare tero no ya mwetaze no do vie wo ume. Ubale go wodo nu je ton maso an reje gbo Nuso akokigo. On a get where you not get level with bit total your own. You have a level better watch out where you are going or you for. Why was over what the enjoy? Why call it a ratty with what I enjoy? Why see a ratty when look me a enjoy? Ya never knew where the bata. It can't do any. Evaluate. Itu mani na gbeni magame erato magare yen value man agbondo gie e wa bi o e o dereba na gbon gie ni o deje awa vule ya latia agbon be mi o take correction we enu pa me won aberere asale kwa ba de so e awa we bo isi aye ogbemogbe iye ti igbegu e awa we bo iku efo oya ge bo wodo oya ge nyame I take the that gonna make the mistake that now it's my family man now go me do yazo now them not do yazo that's all yakwa what's no na pan what do ga mugai the family ya maname why we marry the lawa they can no joy ga the who what temata so that you make not temata ma we make not take a correction the case was you be back when we saka many here or no e be no go ma oh ibu evano. Oh, abio. Oh, buane, bako yage a woman in or sing one mamma me, I never know how walk bell. Well, Nick Bannick, Nick Bannock Bihua. Again, I'm a sycomore than what the most so one in a wonder. We are Messico Modava Van, ye Mose, who can do Messico Modane Mose. Oh, where Ozua. We're not begging you a TikTok here. Not too much makeup. Can't you see single mother how they look good, how they are giving themselves happiness? They eat well, they dress well. I go and see the remote TV palo. We're going to know what the go away. Now, like, now, true, last year, my day patch up my yegbe. Even now, we are going to near him for €2. Or go like here, no, ye, okay, say 10 minutes, say it is one. I reckon it's come down with perfume. I reckon you have a body spray. You go know what the way more. All I go mono piano ya boa. Any caga in Yagawa Gualolo den way I say. Yagami and the Sigo Modalo. Pants are bra complete. When I know what the woman complete pint. You go a walla wa bomuno do. You go a walla wa bomuno do. I'm a weva if you see taka you are new, huh? We have la droite what the famege enough ke bimero what the famege when of every week When no back be, when no dafun work be, when I feel well. Oh no, oh what do surgery? Na fike be mero. Aso e video. Oh what do no na gbe me ije? Na fike be mero. Yaga gbe single mother, ama kpari agbe. A glass in my uleliama. Who can do me marriage man as to say no any marriage woman who me man gonna was you see on your way na a stray young one as our way. Yaga siko moda. Me have a supermarket na even now you smooth facing a smooth. Here where bow without makeup without silo. Very cool, neat. Wago biya fanta coco. Wana waro wodogo bu wa fanta coco. Iye ko bogo wan see do a stress. I mean I go there, rego da bade. Gago gbe one more thing. Why de sigo moda mama so wise. Why ge sigo moda se? Ami ano ro do what do se na. Ami me no matriti ko kaki ko no so se wodo. Iya ge sigo moda. Iya ge sigo moda. Also no soleba na be punishing ya severio. Iya number one of the single mother. No gyokonero wodo. Ne gbe oko wodo iya ge single mother. Iya no enjoy wodo no do mu go na woto. No do iya mi so iya ge single mother. Na we say saloba no wogo me wogo ya. Ma be ya ni susena. Kaki gbe no gboko. Igbe no totanya ko iya ge single mother. Iya bege siko mo de gbega bali ya. Iya bege siko mo na me wete. Iya siko mo da me no we ya be na ya no so. Why? Pretender jealousy. Oh dear, ya ma fresh when we fresh. Iya me peace when we me peace. It's okay vi ba so anyo ya vie. O pe ma na wanyo vie no ko e wanyo vie. Avant ire was man and wife. Aso ire oviera vije. Are bed oviera vije. Se comme dans le viol nous avait bed oge. Comme pilo kegbe ebe ma firma. Day and night on eri on pa avi ewe. Aso vere nena ge. Ove me pilo yi center. Je traso tu nok pa ve je traso tu. Nok pa ma dagbeke nok pa ma dagbeke. Wa me se comme dans ba ko. Ale se comme dans ne gbe ma ho. Ale se comme dans na mami odzo. Other women in when I trust to Yavi, a pillow center. Since 2 weeks in a may 2 week, I get be this way. A brother, when I make come wear a bow, Magua, where the setting.
Well, I talk about my society well. Would the no bone or Western Kakabo? Echo Wakakabo from society moment.
That's what we should.
That's well.
Awe biana, especially the European, the iyan like in ya colleague who igbiagia iyan ramezo.
Nigeria
Kenya. Iyan wa iyan
iyan wanyo sie Morocco. Yani wanyo sie Morocco iyan oti obo kiyan chawo. Omana wanyo sie Morocco.
Iyan continue when abi kuni when iyan pa for 3 months near CV iyan and no bia. Let them leave the children for the man and just take a break for 3 months or 6 months. In fact, omana do imi, omana beg in the etani when not extended to 6 months. So that the man go take care of the children because it's becoming too much.
Yeah, it's animal responsible to your be again.
And having any will serve, never quick work, one will my ma. Any small tia bonnet is your door. Tia bonnet family odo. Never quick work one because unwe my makakaka.
Good evening.
Good evening, you are welcome.
Yeah. What actually made me come up is I want to address something. I enjoy the thing the topic or the way to talk about this matter about a man you go deal with a woman for us when you marry, they call her all those names. You know, really, I don't see why you go deal with person for us, you don't go get rest of mind. So why you put yourself for that kind of tension? If you don't say this person, if he come up for us, your mind on the rich ground, your leg on the rich ground. So the best thing is for you to let her go, so that you go get peace. For you to go get BP for woman when you marry. That number 2. Then first, for that man with that man talk, if not true, I don't really see anything wrong for that man. Wait till say if your wife won't come out, if your wife change direction, your wife supposed to call him. Me, I'm married, I get wife for house. If I dey go work, now work I dey go. Once I dey work, I dey go. Once I come down for bus, I dey come. Once I don't come down for bus. Once I reach work, I go come and say I don't reach work. Not because say I own. That's if you have communication and you are close, your wife or supposed to know your whereabouts. In case person come and say, I see your wife for Ring Road, though. You go to say yes. He tell me saying they Ring Road, but not be say your wife will tell you saying they go Ring Road. Person go say I see her for New Benin. You go dey shocked or you go dey surprised. Yeah, but my wife tell me say they go Ring Road, and your wife no call you tell you say I go New Benin. No matter how busy you are, even
Meeting, Nana. Why you go meet? I don't even know yalla why meet you. Why you go meet? I open him Nana where. Emani I ain't my yard man. No way walk go. See I no make na go. But relax. Sister, I mean, where go meeting na? I thought I receive a call na.
Hello?
You don't want to receive a call. You may move your go. Well, I want here.
Mommy, what?
What boy? I never come where.
Mommy.
Yakue. Yeah, my yere na my yakue la betu no yakue. What you want to be a video? Yakue no me yegbe. Who just shot?
Yeah.
So do what you want to buy me. But when I hear me, yakue la betu no brush. Brush no kue.
Okay, mommy.
Then I wa Hey, Paulo no we like, but I'm not go.
Mommy.
Yeah, voice me. Kai mama me. Aga no ya ku e wa ti yan bakara we ni ku e. Me when we la wan e wa ti wa ri baya. Saba we se wo we gbe do nyu duku. Aga wa ku e mi atu me na mi no je gbe. We gbe be pike ko. Salo bukbu na bi ri egbe. Ami ngona ni ave ngona bukbu na baba. So we la guri e tin we gbe me ni yawo.
Iṣẹ́ yẹ. Bono re di first na yan wan.
Mommy Yoro la regular. Edo iere do abi ere me Yoro. La mommy no verse.
Edo.
About 50 pounds, go give me 120,000. I'll send my guys go there tomorrow. Now see I did they'll just go ask the husband. Now the woman they misbehave. They'll tell her me no misbehave. Now the man they go warn her. I go do another. I go do another where the water.
Mutia, guy, Masakota, Mutia, Olawa, why, and see I. Yahweh. Every bonama na be gui. Every boma for till January and Diwano.
Ah, wow, salopwa. Ah, iya, dia mesti.
Saba go check be marriage now. Ayo. Beti ku me la jabi marriage. Ame bi unless mo to bo mekpa. Mo to
You
bo.
know, here. I make master no few.
Mo to bo mekpa o be avoa.
No, why I regbe marriage now? Why live a life or ama or master? Go back, go you.
Emata no women or a prodanita nepa. Or here be name the man else here.
No.
Maybe in brothers, no, they do well. Now he's selling in brothers for the boy. Now make the boy they misbehave. I understand him in Atana. Because in normal circumstance, if now she be my sister, this night, I go follow the guy talk, say, me, my sister, as if you touch her, by tomorrow, they'll carry you come off for us. And they will do it. In fact, this time, I said they'll do it. Because other men and I, if you not deal with all these men precisely, they're not going to take care of your sister when you call my sister for this land. You know, try and share. They're
No,
not
so
going
some
well.
women they use their family, they play love for their husband. Oh, your family are loving with your
Now,
you see finish it to arrow. You know, I'm getting
now, matter.
Anyway, you know, my brother information. We go to no for Ghana, go for Biba too. We go ya hammer that one way information tell just that you tell them. Tell them about you. About more go to. I will my own. Every day, I talk about war. No, teach you boy.
Miracle baby.
Wait,
They can any man stay. They can any man stay in UK or Europe or in Nigeria.
I met Anna. I can only
If you don't do everything, finish. Even if she don't make that useless talk, and even if she not tell me say okay, a man like me, and somebody can tell me say sweet, that man said I go deal with both my sister and the man together. Now the same group will take the pass. Where they will, I said the two of them now the same rope they will pass. I'll first deal with the man first. Then she now I'll come 1 naira for 2, 3, 5 for another 4 years. If they ask me for money, I don't give them. I go block him, then I go deal with that man. 1 naira way hold day inside. My 50 pence. Way hold day, I no give and then I go deal with that man continuously. They not go try not be my where?
don't pay me, you guys sister where girl here for head.
No, man, I go pour oil for their head by myself.
My brother, no dey talk like that. They say person dey pray may he get good brother or may he get good sister. What of the woman, your sister don't use you play love to your husband?
No, they no go fit use me play love because number one, I dey try for
Forget that thing.
my sister. Man, I dey try for my sisters. You be my sister, I dey try. Now, even my cousins, if they get problem, they call me. Nobody go do all those kind of rubbish to me. It is strange to me. All these things where they happen, they very strange because on a norm, if I dey see all these things for my extended family, and they call me, I'll come to ask why they go to treat all this out. You know, funny enough, another time all these my sisters will be say that they fine where that time when I grew up. Now yeah men they marry for Binio. Yeah, do yahoo men. Yahoo, and they tell my cousins, I go to tell them say, oh man, no, best way go uni ben, he marry best way not go school. Best way graduate, he marry Yahoo. I could go they look them. Then now
You're a good evening, ma.
How you doing? God bless you.
I did fine. I bet mama no vex now because of information hub now come up.
Okay.
If I bet no vex, so I bet when I get space for our family, I don't know whether you feel adopt me.
My sister, where you dey for? Now Benin you there, you dey where?
No, I did Europe.
Where for Europe you dey?
I did one of the countries for Europe.
Make me wait.
Martin City, no jawe mo ele.
My sister, make me your friend. Mo job be friend.
I'll send you message.
Mo we job be friend. Make me your brother.
No, brother, me, I'm not the five friend though. I the five brother. See, because the way you all say they talk since I all like and so I the five person when want fight for me.
Good now, when you make me your friend, just
no, if I not be friend, now brother they talk.
Make me your brother, not be. I mean brother. Make I follow your husband. They talk. How they talk with bros. They not.
No, not be my husband. You want to talk to now? My husband family. I want me you hear me deal with them. My husband no get problem. Now in family, I want me you hear me.
They in family. They Nigeria, be they UK.
They craze follow all the whole country. They full of the whole country.
No wahala. I will tell them say people do the craze to you. What do they talk, safe?
Information hub and I know they lie. Truth.
No, make me your friend. I get many friends for this platform.
No, Epa, see, this thing we need to make her like.
Mommy, you get one lady way there for England, yeah. That lady, I don't know her before. He just passed back. Mama, listen, no. He just passed back. Text me like 6 months ago. He get 3 children. He can't go meet one man. In fact, that lady, you they give her joy. She's getting better now. If you see what he told me about you, he said, in fact, what you see, men are useless. I'm a man. I'm sorry, I'm not like
What
that.
you talk about me? What you talk about me?
He said when he almost commit suicide, now this platform, now they carry him up. He said he go cry. Mommy, listen. He said he go cry. Once your platform come up, he go come. A lot of people did down there. He said he go dead there.
Mommy Yori, I beg, if you hear me talk to Information Hub, make you hear me talk to a family, make they adopt me. Not be all this one who they talk. More exchange numbers. So if you don't really fight for me, I'll come testify for you. I'll come tell you, say, mommy, he don't fight for me. So more not to prolong the matter, you know?
No. Hey, didn't mean that. What's that, mommy? Let me say. No, me, I the sabi fight, money fight. No worry about that. Mommy, you already hear me.
No, I know pay you.
I know so many. I get
work
money.
we dey do.
You know, pay me. No worry. I know what to do. Mommy, you already hear me. This lady, you get two boys, better boys. So he can't live in one way. Some of this lady were there for Europe. Government they give the house, council house. He can't live in council house. He can't go meet another man. He can't born one boy, one girl. A beautiful girl for the man. The useless man can't misuse this lady. This lady had to move out. Now went to a homeless property. You understand? She was there, suffering, depressed, went through too much. I didn't know how she got my number. She didn't get my number. She texted me. In fact, we still spoke like a couple of days ago. She's getting better now. Government don't give her house. Near England, the very far place. As in when they talk, we say, see what they do. If you see Nana, she's getting better. Now, what happened? My point is, some men, I don't know the kind of heart where they women know bad. If women bad, avoid them, walk away from them. Women are bad. Some women, they are very wicked, you understand? But that doesn't mean all of them are the same. Some men are useless. That doesn't mean all of the men are useless. But if you see the testimony this lady gave like a couple of months ago on your platform, she's coming back. She's getting better now.
Epa information. I bet where you dey no verse.
I did for UK here now.
Very good. One of the your day UK for where you did. The fight go your sweet. Thank you.
Good.
Very good.
No, now this is the truth. Might tell you something, sister. Now this is the truth now. It's just like this girl and my sister, now my cousin, or my papa, and you understand? So if you touch her, you touch me. You dey hear me? It not go good, maybe say we dey fight. As you even did this UK now, they can't see you or maybe we dey talk. If you get problem with them, tell me. If there is anything what should they do, tell me. I'll follow and talk. But if any of you now lay hands on her, now my problem is don't lay hands on women. Don't even touch them. Don't even go there. Don't start slapping them. Don't start hurting them. If you not marry again, say go. Go, leave her. No slap them, no touch them, no beat them for face. Umana understand him, Natana. You understand what I tell you? So if you do anything, you don't touch me. When you touch me, I go deal with you. That one are for sure. But for me, now me they fight for my family. My sisters is exempted. They know. My cousins they go. If here though, they did there. If I never even get time for any of them now because I get what's in the pursue. Now if anyone can come and say my husband don't start again, I'll just jump in. I understand if now £200 or €200, I'll just pay better police. They'll just go meet her, they'll just carry her come up for us. They no beat her, but they'll do video call. No, I don't get police for UK. I'll take follow and talk for UK. Then I'll tell and say I'll deal with all of them. You understand?
Where you want for pay police,
You say?
Where you want for pay police,
Now I'll pay for police for Nigeria, but if you can't reach you,
I'll zoom in and go pack all their family.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Pack all of them.
Don't let person use you fight, I beg.
Hello, sister Meurenia.
I go deal with you. This woman wait in Nigeria, make them give me a number. Mama, give me this woman wait in.
I do my friend and me information. Where near?
Mommy, who ne?
Yabo, or go where go.
Ow.
Yabo, Vinyajana.
Ore palomeruga me.
Why are the same room?
You meruga me for now. Did the mouse me now to tell you me?
Maybe I'll be wearing later. Just be a shot. Me na le legbe perfin le legbe. We brush here.
Brush the man up back on ya me so you must of back on kilo.
Okay. Wherever I nana.
Mary baby soon yari bene ko ya come boy yari we am with is
Na reform na boy aripalo yata ma we no mwezofo. We na egui. O ame mi no we no forgive you. Do akpa ezo wa yakpa si ahe. Wo do no pa de no kwa go akwa re yo kwa ma we awotu no na akpa. Wo kan bet again na boy. We ni reform na boy. Ta ma we no egui no mwezofo. One me no saba ya bless you way. One me no saba ya kin wa me ve. Ahia idame yo ni gebe no ya yin ya. We are palo. You know get no best. Mo wa go me teme. O don mo na o don. O don. O gwe bi agbo mi na wa won. Wa mo finish mata na ni. Again, I go meeting na. Megi even weta. Wa go dela ni we Johnny ga even uta. Megwa le gbe ni na. Don't yakpa Jesu yakpa.
You will to receive a call.
No ya no ga me no gui. Ebe do gbe wa so na mo kaya gege ka lo. To pokpa be deke kan. Oko wa reject be no kesio do hey. Mana reject be wo kesio da bi pe ya we. Ade jo wa me ka gbon vacancy, wa me win wa me business lu de wa pa de yeke.
Mommy, you have to talk something of this.
What you want talk?
That woman when they meet that so no vessel. Mama, you they stress yourself. Leave that woman. They go settle this night. No be lie. They go settle.
When are you in the phone?
Mama, may you relax your mind. May you leave her. She go dey okay. Last. Husband and wife matter. They know they talk put. Instead, they'll use you take settle your sian.
Hello, I think you quit talk. I bet Muna no ver. You quit talk.
I be carry on. I bet
See. You see this marriage of 18. Sorry, I'm greedy as I be man boy no vessel of my word. You see this thing. So this Johnny, we did not Johnny now we deal. Now people they use marriage till they play. They use like a joke. Marriage is not for joke. It's a journey. Maybe well marriage. They well marriage. Eh, man, bunya ka bunya do. We ya boya miseo. Then we don't let marriage now. We can't boy you vegero. We now offend the street. We can't boy you. We can't boy you. What we see? We fianyek be we now street. We can't boy fianyek. The time when you the friend woman for us, you the shakara, you the do let's say up and down, you be government, you be president. Wake up. Only in waking with your so do you have your more away. Okay, can we tell you we have your fianyek be wawani. One man, you are fianyek be where you to me, where you talk.
Anybody no job, I settle be marriage or any.
I am where you to, I am where you to cabo.
What a lot of game go. Any man no job, I settle be marriage or have you not been when already? Any woman no job, I settle be marriage, no been any a marriage here. Uruwa logoma, una tubu, mama na here wa nevi, una support you. Like I settle where do you settle? Where say? When you go be marriage, you
Okay, that day when you go mad, when you go house, now my brother you be because of my go house. Well, that day when you go house, is it because of my brother you went to? Okay, the other person they're giving out to kill him. You get mad though, true to God. You get mad. Now you marry me. You see and say because I know wise. Now you marry me. Because you see and say
you were the class arts. You were the go marry they go be devil hello.
You because you see and say I don't know anything.
That's not why they go devil.
Okay, wait on a no.
That's not why they take drugs.
No wala. Do your worst. God is see everybody mad. God is see everybody mad. God is here. I don't know where this matter they go. Because my elder brother they around. Okay, may I go meet him. I don't blame you, Sharon. The way you look me, I don't blame you. The way you look me. You see, I say when you know me, I don't know anything. You don't position me for where you need to position me finish. And now you want to tell me see I don't be anything. I don't be anything. God they see the heart of every man. He don't go fit to you anything. Now God will judge you. Those way they back you up, now God will judge you. At a first, you see that me no see this, other me no see that your family do not like me.
He go lost his job.
He
go exam.
My elder brother will never lost his job, but you still have lost your job. Still they talk. Or anywhere where you go, you don't go feel affect and nothing. Except not be God where you dey serve, there you dey serve. Except you get another hidden agenda. Oga, you dey go, you let me know. You dey go. Oga, you dey go, you dey diabolical, you dey go. You are diabolical. So let us be sincere. I not get wetin I do you. You don't already use me achieve wetin you want achieve. Congratulations.
Hello, sister me.
Ma.
By what time I will walk by the beer parlor. We will take it drugs. Ulawa later, what time? My accuse, why you lie against me? There was
Mommy.
a time we accuse. I
Mommy.
will see him more. Walk magic.
Ma boy, you ma okpa e vavo. Ma boy, awa. It
Mana sayo no, but no tajo no, we me.
You guys can no. You guys can no, mommy. You guys can no because we must see na we ni we see na boda me rara.
Umago, again we are time because of beg a woman fear. If you are masajo no direct. Masajo no at all, masajo no. Oh, masajo no. Iwa ojo. Masajo no. Masajo no no. Masajo no.
Wa talk by yellow girl. Yes, kada mama. Mama Solo.
Bros domo.
Mama Solo.
Bros domo.
You know the one of Gwa.
I know who they talk.
Now Bros Saro they talk for Abu.
Bros Saro, I know say na you.
Why Papa, where your husband? Why they give your husband for?
Bros, no way ya men, way ya.
Give him a phone, tell us na me. Give him a phone, tell us na me. Listen to me.
You do about years, so I do this for complex ones.
I said listen to me. Give your husband a phone, tell us na me.
Emu, bros.
You know if you give him a phone, tell us na me.
Then you forward the number when we call it, bros.
Now my phone get my woman no, my phone eh. My speaker.
Wekamunene, amana imo pa ha ma musipo. Iro ba tawo me bo yere na le do mu.
Hello, Papa Solo. Hello. Hello. Give your husband a phone. Tell us in our process around the talk. Give her a phone. You never reach where you did.
I did.
Give her a process around the talk. Give her a phone. Send her process around the talk. Give her a phone. Give her the phone. I want to talk to her.
Let me introduce yourself.
Good evening.
Hello, Papa Zolo. You say I introduce myself. Now I was around for Abuma, Vice Chairman before. How you there?
Bro, fine. Good evening.
Hello?
Fine, good evening.
You don't know the talk?
No.
The Denko guy, the Malay guy. You don't know, you never see know me.
I try to catch you, bro.
Bro, so Sarona.
I don't think small. I try to remember the catch the voice.
You dey try to remember the face. When me and you, if I come Abuma, me and you not be, you are fed this, you and your woman. Now you will greet me before I go inside store. You never see know me.
No verse. I try to remember.
Former vice chairman for Abuma, you never see know me.
Yes.
You know they are Deco, you know Elewe, you know they are Jazzy, you never see know me. Not be say what complex sooner for startup.
Yes.
For POS.
Yes, you're right.
You not see know the talk.
Yeah, I don't know the talk now.
Say, you know, say you na my own, your wife na still my own. Anything we call the cause quarrel, it no good. You see, mommy, what you dey see, so that be our mama is mother of all. You dey get me? So not be everything that they use violence they do. If not, tomorrow I for tell mommy say anywhere where you dey, I will deal with you. I will call mommy, and I thank God say 2 of our theirs. You understand? You know the way streets be for Abuma. You understand? And not be everything when person hear, person they talk, or not be everything when person can't tell you, you just take personal. You know how the streets be. 2 of them they do business together. Even before na born solo, you know how the hustle they start. When you now they work for First Bank then and other, when she they do POS business. So as God does he bless you today now, not be the one who come the one cause issue between una own self. At the end of the day, una come the fight on herself, may want to go outside. It not really make sense. You understand me? So I would like you there.
I'll talk something.
If you want to talk, now mommy you go collect mommy number.
No,
then you and mommy
let
go
her
talk.
talk now. Get go.
Okay.
Let me talk.
Okay.
Let me talk on platform. Let me talk. Mama, sorry for just now. She interrupted me when I was talking to you.
No problem.
Okay. Mommy, you thank God you are a woman. No? Abi, you have a husband and kids in the house, Abi. Sorry to ask.
Yes.
With due respect, can you leave without telling your husband where you are going to?
She's supposed to tell you where she dey go now.
Okay. If you change, what are you supposed to do when you change location? Are you not supposed to call him and tell him this is where I am now?
Yes.
Not the first time, not the second time, not the fifth, not the sixth. These are issues we are quarreling over. We don't have any issues. Don't just tell me this is where I am. For one, Nigeria is very safe. Now, let me put it that way. Rosaro, you understand what I talk, Sha? Nigeria is very safe now. Like the way they kidnap and kill people anyhow now. You know, many. I'm not getting I won't achieve. What I'm just trying to do is safeguard myself and my family. That's why I want to know where she is always. This morning when she was leaving the house, I probably asked her, do you intend going anywhere? She said no. When she was leaving the gate, I came out to ask her.
See, I tell you, you see where they go.
Should I? Why are you interrupting me again now? Let me talk now. Let me talk now. Please. Please now. Please now. What is argument? Sorry, please. Sorry about that. So when she was leaving, I asked her, do you have any intent that you are going? She said no. That she wants to take herself out. How does that sound? A married woman wants to take herself out. Mommy, please, how does that sound?
She said she wants to take herself out.
Yes, how does this sound as a married woman?
Oh, just
when you
have say, I want to just go out. That is the meaning now. I want to go out. I mean, not be the meaning be that. I want to go out. That is the meaning now.
In a club.
Why I'll go club? I don't understand. Why I'll go
Let me talk now. I know you say you
wait, so why I'll go club? Tell me
let me talk now.
God bless you.
God
bless you.
Understand? All the business. Neado. So in Ozana wana do amowe owo aiso wana wo gando winriwe egba was ye no very a complex near babe na kugbe and different things also no. Understand? So every 4 why ego odwa reason of but owo me wa even when you why me wa me be why and order. So awe emewe omonere puye enyesie na ogwono ate anyi na we no see.
Thank you.
That is my little advice. Mama Solo, not be club be your problem for now. You suppose know that one.
Thank you, my darling.
Yes.
I didn't go to any club.
Yes.
I didn't explain. You know, bros, Eric, a no give for upstairs. After bros buy your store.
Yes, ask. I know.
Yes. Okay. Shebi, you know, in new launch we open for our area here for me.
Yes.
Now, as I dey come house, now there I just everybody always like okay, me I just see stop for that place. I they follow and do business. They follow me do business. That's okay. Me I just see stop. Listen to me now. Listen. You feel listening? Bros, as
you want go that kind of place, suppose tell your husband say, listen, Mama Solo, listen. Now near the have his hands. Listen. Okay, yes, as it tell you me, you know, go. Wait, now.
Bros,
I gotta
Saro.
go, Annie. Damn
Saro,
it.
is any
Suppose no
good?
me.
Thank
All
you
those
for
one are my
your
area.
gift. God bless you.
All those
Bros,
people.
Saro. Bros,
Yes.
Saro.
How you didn't know?
Calm down. Calm down, may I let you.
How you didn't say I did this thing?
For long enough. For long. Hello?
I dey hear. Give me talk.
Oh, you talk about the mele is in winner. No, I don't make any matter. So, a bemare or rowa. No, I don't know. Ya one never complex in a colleague or can know. Ya, you're a complex in a colleague or can you? So, our next test will be aware again. You are so aware. Again, I will repair now. Every repair now is here. So, what? Man, winner. Udamewa.
You understand?
What you know you came, but at the end, you give where any winner for ne igwene. Imana here, idoloyi. Imana here, idoloyi. Maybe mistakenly na. Ne diana tamina wea. O me contribution pani makia suwe. Ginigo no. Kina we are in any amount o ka me. Ni maya understand. So
Yes.
you there go again now we yet work out me we man carry the level. E yan mo ka na man that dey ba yan loke number 6 pa. What tell you? Me na want am me na we yet o ka o me. E ba ni ona wa fi wori e instantly. So you can't call it on team what they can now we are. You may last week something now we are tell the may yet since you they said the school as when they may give it the even the balance
Sorry to say. When me planning why expecting when me tell why expecting what I was saying. O wa ga ma we never we understand. Well, when we for about what if you want on the web one, you understand? Okay. Maya make be complex. No,
we call it deco or call it a complex term.
Well, buddy. Mother study, man. Yeah. Maybe call on my way to investigate a matter where every family in my yaki, whatever going you matter why. Understand it, man. You want to check it out by profile. You know what? So I'm a solo.
My brother, if your husband did make it here, if you not trust your wife, tell her say make it come out. May you not go kiss somebody picking. If you know, say you not trust her, say they wakak bukere. If they do something where people say no, they give you joy. But you make come on, not marry again. Now trust, now be marriage. This your marriage now. You don't they suspect her. You they data. You say they take drug. You they go club. You they waka alone without you. But you don't waste time. Because don't let something happen to you. Now they go say awa yamuwe. Because we're suspected and they go get gawe. What are you still waiting for? Now what you reach now? They are suspect you. So nobody be that soon. But wa me boni aya wa ya ve egbo ya wo gbe wa. Then I not back home in na. Okay, get a pan out to bomb your boy. I will ya feel where you are. Get no time in the eternal now. We time it you. I will go here now. Walk here. You suspect eh? What are we saying? You know me, I'm not doing. Man that pay your bride price, they accuse you, say, you they go outside. If not true, you can say yes. What are you still doing there? And almost many of them will turn it to why you suspect here? Why pursue here? Why Sato then not come and say to just have a way to Uyage? I don't menajiwa, and I will allow one cow, a Ukbogevan, we are Joe, Ukbogia. Since I'm not trusty, where you people should separate. And I bush around the bushy boy. Go ahead, of you, this one, and I say, no boy, now you don't sick. You don't know where your problem is coming from. When a man don't suspect a woman, said the woman they fuck her, now that man not they move forward again. You know they move forward because that spirit of suspect all to affect it can cause you a darkness sickness. Before you know no big God, before you know a boy bele wekia, before you know wherever very hulo water. Salaba no me dance no da ba me ni sa jawa o mie. Ya ikbolo we. Wege na o iku mi, wa ivata gbajo na eri atijo. Umana de la wa geme, umana take permission geme, wa ye mistake change direction geme, wa ya wanyo geme, ye kwumi na. Okay, we wa me gunye bi aru over 24 hours. We ye dey me right in egbo e. Wa we ya azeti alatia. You pursue him now. Go call your papa. Say, come and take your daughter. I don't need time again. I don't like it waka waka. Which one you call the character class? You want tear and meter too. Today, now, you don't call somebody child. Now, today, you don't call where. Don't know where the problem is coming from. All right, honey, now, Bemara, where you teach you now? And now, you know, soon. Can you say your wife they take drugs? If not true, pursue them now. Not be all men they carry woman where they take drugs. Not be all men they carry woman where they fuck around. Not be all women they not be all men they carry woman where be say they go beer palo. Where for? If the girl no one go, throw away all artists. Throw away for outside, make get out of your house to avoid problem. You accuse her today before 1 week, you know, you still call her machawo. The way this girl be now, we all can on a mafia. The bad to investigate a banner, you're this virgin, okay? You're not the moene. What make it do I work here, girl? Moena, I'm a more go buy, okay, very oy. If I'm a man, so I say my wife, the fuck, I go pursue her. Get out of my house. We see I don't live anywhere. Don't go get leg, we are here, okay? Don't go get leg, we are over your way. Don't go get leg, who see you want? Why not your one? Oh, when we go, John. We got him out on you, who lie, guess her. When we move there, we got to go when you are a liar. That when a batter, una with a be when we are telling when you are a liar. Umana zone any sin me na wo na. Me me be no to wo ga sha what then no you power. Or to support no level 20 you will remain level 2. I no ya tell wo ga sha what to support no zo. Cause I wanna get that be uzo e. Uzo. Ata be no be sunu ba no be mu get be when you have vempo. Okay, Caro, a kiddo boy. I want Zeno. Why are you boy? I don't know why you. Okay, get a banner. All the Muget boy, I love me. Your mouth and walking here. I came out with the banner. I want Zere Bua. Gave quiver while Moko was Guiana Lulame. Oh, I don't who are quavo. The Quaveno Hey Domu. Where I got toast to our Wakame feature. It may a general of Hamayahu. Or I walk Babo, however, no Jawa Bocha. Or I warrior get Benek Bemwa May, and Menaya ton of Yere War. El Quavera no Jawa Bocha. Or when on Juba Bojoconia go all dog women at Bomeme. Get enemy affected, Enena. I took my shower to live anyway. Get one and get to you for me. No worry, Sagadabu, no worry, make a. So you have to wake up, my brother. Wake up if you are hearing my voice. Stop calling your wife a shower. If you don't trust her, pack her things, come up for your house tomorrow. Call the papa for phone. Record and give her maybe proof. Call her the rest. Send message, give her say, now you give me the wife. Now me call me give me your daughter. Now I reject her. I don't need her again. Let her live my life. Anywhere where she did, go to pay her children's school fees. She must take care of her children by herself. So be say I call the CM, I do CM, in my way, you got tie, in my hair, you say Morocco, you want na. Okay, well, mammy, when me will go what I near, where you ever. Do what my girl will be a usual. You can receive work man, or Tilani will pick. Also, I'm going to let it rammy here. Okay, you tell issue, how dare you? Mama, watch your make me. But back to watch our women at my way, you shall what on it. Yaga man, the way any other you shall look back be I like be slave. Yaga look back deal with here. Oh, what don't look better talk watch when you enjoy water. But we are the buyer. Oh, count and I see ya. I'm your planet is here. I take book be area. You were my one bear. I take book be I marry. Oh, me wa mu mo watch what defended boy. Makba. Sisu washa working ba. A one no me. Tell me my do head that jemete. No aga do with a beta. No re ye pa le jodaira. Kwalo do se we kawa kokigo. A do me go makba le derio. Another day, I don't know my expect to ma. O delani we sho. Umana delani we jo mwe phone ge reject or tie we ge pick or tiera e pardon mo okonure me mamio era we mame mi ave tiera or tonu we go be ma wa ma bi uta mi okpa e diri se wani na pa yo ne o ga ise ta la go we ge ta we gba jakare ra me no do vow the no we gbe tie ma sha we do wa mi ne se wo wa we e wo. There's a watch when you want your cag, but not cag by Joa Lulam. That's what Mamma done of it, Naria Nusu. Again, 1930. And I have it Diana yesterday. Again, Mamma Jenna, 2026. Now, what time? They are me waffle. Or the name when I went to a game a hero water. I'm a gain on my water. When I don't want to know my depression, never want to be depression, then I must say, they no one enjoy me, va? When I'm with Quebec, when you have depression, où je vais y aller. N'aime que beaucoup d'or, je vais y aller. De non, ma sœur. Avec moi, ma sœur, non, fifou. Uro wado wa no buga ya glass o wa ri low. Eve wa ya vie wado. O da fun wa lo ya glass. A glass na ya bere na ya tie be wa ya ri me a problem. Wa ya vie. Wa stop nonsense in this 2026. Umana mio wo kan we mio bere ti a chawo. Wa stop na gbon me ke na ma wa. Wa si egbu wa ri yeke. Because wa me abo zu o mu jogwa. Wa me abi ko ni ma fie o mu jogwa. Egana de ope wa mo ko ro abo. Uma mio because o just cut o just trouser o ma de was so accuse. Wa dam we bu na any animal na even na luwa en. O ma na wa badon am wa fo ye does me. Ka we bona ke ya no wa re ye ba. We bo so sha. Wa kokigo wa manzo. Why is so Safia Emma County? Okay, Keswena. Igoro Waro, Ero Lidala, Ero Wara County. Ero Bagolo. Waro, what do Enego with Bagolo, and the bank, and the Nigeria. Okay, Yakbae, naughty. Another terror, no, I am with us in Odovia, woman. Ubego, what on Ujet Thomas, one reject boy, so I cokigo. On a get where you not get level with bit total your own. You have a level back to watch our way I'm going or a four. Why was over what the enjoy? Why call it a ratty with what I enjoy? Why see a ratty when look me a will enjoy? Ya never knew where the bata. It can't be doing it. Evaluate. Itu mani na gbeni magame erato magare yen value. Man na gbondo gie e wa bi o e. E o dere ba na gbon gie ni o deje. Awa vule ya latia. Agbon be mi u take correction we. E no pa be won aberere. Asale kwa ba deso e. Awa webo isi aye ogbemogbe iye ti gbegwe. Awa webo iku efo oya gebo wodo. Oya genyame. I take the that gonna make the mistake that now eta my family me now go me do yazo now dem na do yazo. That's all yakwa. What's another pa yodo gam guy? The family ya maname. Why we marry the lawa? They can no joy got the who what time so that you make not temata ma ungo make not take a correction. The case was you back when we saka many here or
marriage for this whole world many of them don't get key leg. Now only one leg the contestant. Una don't see wetin happen between these two husband and wife, this couple. I imagine after 10 man go drive his wife put for her side for Nigeria. Nigeria people.